Hey guys, it's Lane Morgan here. Thanks for watching our videos. I'm the owner of Renown Cargo Trailers, and I'm about to show you a spectacular 8.5 by 24 race car trailer, fully loaded with all the bells and whistles you can think of. But guys, let's go around this trailer, show you what all it's got on it. So first off, this is a flat front, 24-foot bumper pull enclosed cargo trailer. We've got some extra height added to the interior, so there's a 7-foot interior height instead of the standard 6'6". If you look at the siding, this is black Polycore. This is the new elite siding that everybody's going crazy about in the cargo industry. So this is 080 material. If you'll notice, if you look down the side of it, Jake, right here, we don't have any screws going down this trailer. It is completely screwless. The Polycore lays flat, looks smooth. It's like glass, guys. Right here, we've got on the interior of it, we've got an L-shaped base cabinet. This is where you can store your generator. There's a slide-out tray as well that you can slide out with a vented door. Has a lock on the generator door as well, so you can lock up your generator. We've got an extended tongue on the front of this thing, so those are 60-inch drawbars going to the frame of the trailer. We've also got a 5,000-pound electric jack on here, so you don't have to worry about winding that jack up and down when you're hooking it to your truck. Right here is your 50-amp motor base plug. This trailer has an electrical package in it. It also has an inverter, so there's some 12-volt lights and some 110, and that's where you'll plug up your lifeline, and you'll hook this to the cord to the 50-amp motor base plug. It's just like on campers, guys. It's a twist and lock cord, and then you'll plug that into your generator, and that's what will power your trailer. Up front, we've got cast corners on the edges. We've got your insert up there, so that is your smooth insert. We can do that either smooth or in black ATP. So this trailer does have a Blackout package on it with some alloy wheels. It's got the new Eagles. Some people used to call them Spiders, but they come up with a new design. So it's got the nice alloy wheels. One thing a lot of our race car customers like is double doors. Instead of a 36-inch side door, we've upgraded to these are 4-foot wide double doors. They look really nice, and they give you plenty of room to get in and out, whatever you need to get in and out of the trailer. Right here, we've got a GFI receptacle. So if you ever want to plug in a coffee pot, a TV, a fan, and pop your awning out, there is a electric awning on here. These are made by Lippert or Dometic. They're really nice awnings. You see them on $1 million motorhomes. At Renown Cargo Trailers, we try to build you the best product from the start, so we don't cut corners. So we use really nice parts when we're building your trailer. Right here, you'll see we've got some LED light bars. Those are 12 volt. They will light it up at night. But it's like, again, if you want to pop your awning out and get out of the weather or get up out of the sun, you can pop that out and plug in whatever you need right there in the GFI receptacle. We've got a radio package on this. There's a total of 6 speakers in here. Plenty of power to make it rock wherever you're at. So guys, right here, if you'll notice, we got spread torsion axles. Them are 5,200-pound axles. When you do a spread pattern, you got to upgrade to a torsion axle, but there's a lot of good things that comes along with that. You get more warranty. You get 11 years of warranty compared to a 6-year warranty with drop leaf spring axles. When you spread them out, it helps with weight distribution, gives you a better, smoother ride, and it absorbs shock better, so you don't have to worry about stopping every couple of hours and strapping your car back down, because it's going to give you a smooth ride. Again, we did a completely screwless exterior on this one. If you'll notice one thing about this, if you've seen spread axle trailers, some of them have a slant pattern. This one right here is kind of flattened out, so it gives you more ground clearance when you're going over speed bumps or curbs, and you don't have to worry about the bottom of your trailer catching. So right here in the back, we've got a steel transition flat right here. It's not your plywood wrapped in ATP. It's actually made out of steel. It's 16 inches wide. We've covered the floor in black RTP rubber trim plate. We've got a spoiler on the rear. This looks really cool, and also we put lights in the spoiler, so there's 12-volt LED lights above the spoiler. If you're ever loading your car at night and you need to do it, you can do it with these spoiler lights. Right here, this is a steel transition flat, guys. So we put a flat right there. It just gives you a smooth transition. If you're ever rolling anything out, you don't have to worry about hitting that gap. We've got some D-rings in the floor. I'm actually building a couple more of these trailers, and I'm going to add E-track to them. So the next couple that we've ordered, there's going to be two 19-foot strips of E-track going up along the floor. But this one right here has just got D-rings in it for you to tie your car down. We did black metal walls on this one with some gray carpet halfway up the walls. We covered the wheel wells in black ATP. We've got plenty of receptacles. You can tell it's got plenty of LED lights in it. These are 48-inch LED light bars. You can get them to where they change colors, go from blue and white. We've got speakers in the cove of the wall. You notice right here, I told you there was a total of 6 speakers. So you've got 4 interior and 2 exterior speakers. Again, 7-foot interior height. We covered this in black metal, so there's 030 black metal on the walls and the ceiling. Again, carpet halfway up the wall. And this is something new that we're adding to these trailers. These are LED rope, but they have a 3M adhesive on the back, so you pull the tape off and you can line it up going down the wall. Looks really cool and just makes your trailer be a little more fancy. This one right here's got a roof bin on it right here, and then we've got a 15,000 BTU black air conditioner on here. Plenty of air conditioner to cool this 24-foot trailer. Right here, man, you can look how nice the final finish is on these trailers. They're done right. We covered the countertop with rubber coin on the tops. We've got some overhead cabinets up here, guys. And I'm actually, in some of the others that we're building, we're putting a light in the ceiling of the cabinets as well. We've also got a light up under here for your workspace. So this is your electrical package, guys. This is built in with the inverter, so you can run 12-volt or 110. We've got a closet over here. I call it a half closet. You can hang your racing gear up. You can store stuff in there. And then up under the closet, we've got a toolbox. Well, it's locked. But anyway, there's a 4-drawer toolbox right there. So you can store all your tools or whatnot when you're working on your car. We've got plenty of receptacles in this thing, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then also we've got an exterior GFI. Right here's your radio system, Bluetooth radio system. It powers your radio. These are your 12-volt switches, and then over here, of course, you've got your switches for your LED lights. You can make them different brightness. That's for the ropes. But guys, this is an amazing 24-foot race car trailer. We are building them. They are coming down the line. We built 2 that just came off, and they are sold already. I do apologize. I can't keep them on the ground, but I've got 2 coming off about every 4 weeks. So if you're interested in a trailer like this, give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers. This exact build is $26,999. So $26,999 will get you in this trailer. You can pull away from Georgia for less than 27 grand and have a really nice 24-foot spread torsion axle race car trailer, fully finished, everything you need, with an awning on the outside. Y'all give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers, 888-287-3954. You can also find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We're on Facebook. We're real easy to find, but we look forward to the opportunity to earning your business soon. And guys, thanks again for watching all our videos, and y'all know the rest. Until then, y'all be blessed.